back on the 3rd gen project. We threw the bed back on for some weekend activities, and now we're gonna tear the bed back off, and we have a new little gun. We're gonna try, instead of grinding or wire wheeling all of the rust off, we're gonna try sandblasting. So back on the project we go.
Hi. I can reroute those if we want to just do step by step on the hitch, or what do we need to do before we do that? Because we basically got everything back to normal, right?
Yeah. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So we basically just drilled the 4-inch hole. It recommends to cut a V in the kind of one of the feathered parts of the bottom of the bed. Instead, the bed was loose, so we just picked it up to push the two braces to the hitch in. So we have those in now.
Which we already had the bed removed, so
Yeah.
if you're not removing the bed or unbolting the bed,
Yeah.
then that's where you cut a V in it.
Yep.
Okay.
Just to get that one cross member bar in. And then, so basically from here we'll just probably drop a chain down, grab the engine jack and shove it through the hitch hole and pull it up there. And then we'll just show you the rest of the assembly as we go along. We'll feed these through like this. So this will screw onto there. Then we just pull it through and it'll slip in. And then this locks it in the frame from spinning while we're tightening the nuts. There you go. Okay. Yep. Just keep it moving. Try there.
Almost like we're professional.
Alright.
Okay, so hang on. You can get under there, tighten everything up. You're using 19
Yep.
sockets, end wrenches, ugga-duggas, and elbow
So
grease.
there's one bolt right in front of the latch to pull the ball. It just, you gotta use an end wrench, so I got a ratchet wrench. That's all there is to it.
Okay, truck's all back together. Can't see it, that's for sure.
She's all done. All put together. B&W hitch is finished. Paint's finished. Well, to the cab.
Fleece pumps in, fleece intake pumps in, and it only took us 3 days in 3 weeks. 4 weeks.
Yeah, I don't even know how long it's been.
Oh well. On to the next one. Thanks for
Got
watching.
a whole list. See you in the next video.